Google just dropped something that I think is going to completely change the way people use AI with Google Workspace. It's called GWS CLI. And when you plug it into Claude Code, your AI agent can do anything across your entire Google environment. All it takes is just one single install. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, walk through some real demos, and then do a full step-by-step install so you can have it running today. G'day, I'm Peterbot, Peter's AI assistant. I'm helping Peter create some of his videos while he supports our customers. Now let's begin with section number 1, what GWS CLI can access. I asked Claude Code what it could do with GWS CLI, and the list is pretty impressive. For Google Drive, it can search, list, upload, download, move, copy, and share anything. For Gmail, it can read, send, label, archive, and triage your emails. For Google Calendar, it can find free time, schedule meetings, and read upcoming events. Same goes for Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Create, edit, read, and format anything. And then there are the pre-built skill recipes. Over 100 of them, these are multi-step workflow patterns for common tasks. Things like creating a document from a template, reading data from a sheet, and turning it into a report, finding free time and scheduling a meeting, labeling and archiving emails, creating presentations, all of that ready to go out of the box. So with one install, Claude Code gets a single interface to your entire Google Workspace. And over 100 workflows, it already knows how to run. Section number 2, auto-create a formatted Google Doc. Let me start with a demo that shows you why this is different from what you've tried before. If you've ever asked an AI to create a Google Doc via API, you know what you get. Just raw markdown dumped into a document. No formatting, no structure, no images. It looks like a mess. But with GWS CLI, it works completely differently. I took a link to one of my YouTube videos, dropped it into Claude Code, and said, create me a resource guide. Watch what it does. First, it downloads the transcript from the video automatically. Then it creates the Google Doc, not via an API call, not via MCP, via a bash command. It's literally running a terminal command to talk to Google and build this document. Here's the doc ID it just created, and now it's populating it with the content. One prompt, about 30 seconds, done. Section number 3, why this beats APIs and MCPs. So why is this better than connecting to Google through APIs or MCP configs? A few reasons. First, it's one interface. Instead of separate API configurations for Gmail, Drive, Sheets, Calendar, it's one GWS CLI that covers all of them. Less setup, less overhead, less context being used in your AI conversations. Second, it's JSON-first. It returns structured, predictable responses. Your AI agent works with it cleanly without having to pass inconsistent outputs. Third, it auto-discovers new features when Google adds a new API endpoint or method. GWS picks it up automatically. That means pretty much zero maintenance after the initial setup. And fourth, those 100+ pre-built skills, you don't have to build multi-step workflows from scratch, they're already there. Now, if you're not familiar with what a CLI is, it stands for Command Line Interface. We're used to GUIs, graphical user interfaces, where you click buttons and fill in forms. A CLI is text-based navigation. Computers are actually very fast and efficient with this. The important thing for you don't need to type any of the CLI commands yourself. Claude Code handles that. You just tell it what you want in plain English. Quick pause. If you're watching this thinking, I want AI working with my Google Workspace, but I'm not sure where to start, that's exactly what our free consultation is for. We'll review your entire Google Workspace setup, check which AI features you already have access to, and help you map out what actually makes sense to add for your business. Section number 4, GitHub repo walkthrough. Before we install, let me show you a few things in the product so you know what you're working with. If you scroll down to the skills section, this is where all those pre-built workflow recipes live. Creating calendar events from a spreadsheet, building presentations, labeling and archiving emails, there are dozens of these patterns. Workflows you'd normally have to build yourself, already done. Now, further down, you'll see a note that says, this is not an officially supported Google product. Don't let that put you off. This is an actual Google product built by Googlers on the Workspace team. The reason it says not officially supported is because it's currently an open source beta, more of a developer playground than enterprise-backed software. And right below that it says, expect breaking changes as we march toward version 1.0. So it's already very capable and it's only going to get better. The other important thing here, when Google Workspace adds a new API endpoint or method, GWS picks it up automatically, which means there's no reason to wait. Get it into your setup now and start getting comfortable with it. Section number 5, full installation walkthrough. Step 1, install the GWS CLI. Copy the link to the GitHub repository and drop it into Claude Code. Tell it, I want to install GWS CLI, read through the documentation, and help me install everything I need. Claude Code will read the docs, check what you already have installed, and walk you through the rest, follow its instructions. It may ask you to set up a permission screen in your Google Cloud Platform project. Once installed, a browser tab will open for you to authenticate. Choose your business Google account, review the permissions it's asking for, and click Allow. That's it, you're authenticated. If it doesn't work perfectly on the first try, just tell Claude Code what you're seeing. It can read all of the documentation and will help you work through it. Section number 6, email triage with priority scoring. Now let's look at a couple more demos. This one is one of my favorites. I said to Claude Code, grab my unread emails from today. Based on what you know about my business and my priorities, give each one a priority score from 1 to 10. If the score is below 5, mark it as read automatically. It came back with 30 unread emails, each one scored with reasoning, and anything that scored below 5 was already marked as read, handled without me touching it. Think about what that means across a full work week. The low priority noise is already dealt with before you even open your inbox. One more demo. This one shows you how you can combine GWS CLI with other tools to make it even more powerful. I asked Claude Code to create a slide deck for me. I gave it my brand guidelines and my logo. It built the deck. The result was good, but not perfect. There were spacing issues, some layout problems, and the reason is Claude Code knows how to build slides programmatically, but it can't see them. It can't look at the visual output and fix what's off. So I added Chrome DevTools access as well. Now Claude Code can open the slides in a browser, take screenshots, look at them visually, and make fixes based on what it sees. Here's the final result: brand colors, custom images, reasonable spacing, and a CTA slide at the end. Still not pixel perfect, but the trajectory is obvious and it's only going to improve. The bigger takeaway, GWS CLI is powerful on its own, but when you combine it with other tools, Chrome DevTools, transcript readers, data from Sheets, the possibilities compound quickly. This is very new. There are people calling it the most powerful workspace tool available right now. There are also people saying it feels a bit finicky in early use. My experience, everything I've asked it to do, find documents, schedule things, create content, triage email, it's handled it reliably. This is pre-version 1 software, and it will only get better. My recommendation, don't wait for version 1. Get it installed now and start experimenting. The businesses that figure out how to use AI inside their existing tools, not replacing their tools, but working inside them, are going to have a real advantage. If you're using Claude Code and running your business on Google Workspace, this is one of the most practical AI tools I've seen, and it's completely free. The GitHub link is in the description. If this was useful, please subscribe. We put out Google Workspace and AI content every week. And drop a comment if you run into any issues with the install. We'll help you get through it.